In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase credits on Suno AI using Google Chrome. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open up your Chrome browser. Once there, navigate to the Suno AI website and make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already logged in, you'll see the login button on the top right corner of the page. Simply enter your username and password, take a moment to ensure everything is typed correctly, and then click Login. It's important to note that a secure connection is always recommended, so keep an eye out for the little lock icon near the URL to ensure your session is secure. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub where you can manage various aspects of your account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't done so already. Now you'll want to navigate to the credits or store section. This is usually found as a menu option either at the top of the page or within a sidebar. Don't hesitate to explore and click around if you need to. It's all about getting comfortable with the platform. After you've located the credits or store section, it's time to decide how many credits you'd like to purchase. Think about how much you anticipate needing and make your selection accordingly. Whether you're a light user or intend to dive deep into Suno AI's features, choosing the right amount of credits is essential for maximizing your experience. Once you've decided, click on the option that suits your needs the best. The next step in this process is selecting your preferred payment method. Typically, platforms like Suno AI offer multiple payment options, such as credit cards or perhaps digital wallets. Choose the one you're most comfortable with and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transaction. Ensure that your details are entered accurately to avoid any issues with the purchase. A little tip: double check your contact information is up to date, as this might be where your purchase confirmation is sent. Finally, it's important to double check that the transaction went through smoothly. Return to your account dashboard and check your account balance. You should see the newly added credits reflected there. If everything looks good, you're all set and ready to use your credits. It's a good habit to review your email as well to confirm any purchase receipts or confirmations from Suno AI. And that's it! You've successfully purchased credits on Suno AI using Google Chrome. Thanks for following along, and we hope this guide made your experience straightforward and efficient. Enjoy using your credits and happy exploring with Suno AI.